this is how you catch the exact reversal on ES. You see here, ES had a really nice reversal down here, seller absorption. We have the 10 a.m. power of 3, and we're trading off a 15-minute fair value gap. So that's exactly how I trade, right? So we look for a key level. We want to be buying below the 10 a.m. Eastern, which is all the way up here. And we want to understand seller absorption, right? So this is where we go over to the ATAS platform. We can see here, this particular trade costs just over $300 in profits with about a $9,500 risk to reward. And so what we need to understand here is we see a lot of negative delta just in this region, right? So we see 541 for 55, we see 454 for 53, right? So we see a ton of aggressive sellers, and these aggressive sellers were here in this particular region, right? So we saw a lot of aggressive sellers here, and then of course we see price breaking above this area, right? What's also interesting is if we see price bouncing off, right? We see aggressive sellers, 154 for 36, and we see 145 for 16. So we see a lot of aggressive sellers corresponding to this zone over here, but the market was unable to break below the zone, and therefore buyers were taken below the 10 a.m. Eastern and at a 15-minute fair value gap. So you only need three things to actually crack the market. You need a 15-minute fair value gap or a key level. You need to know exactly what's going on inside of the fair value gap, and you want to be buying below the 10 a.m. Eastern, or you want to be selling above the 10 a.m. Eastern, right? So remember, key level, order flow, and power of 3. With those three things, you cannot go wrong.